फेस इज एन इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट इन क्वेश्चंस वी हैव सीन कि किसी किसी क्वेश्चन में आपका फेशियल एक्सप्रेशन भी आया है. नाउ when you have to give the expressions, you will try to move the muscles, as in you can move your eyebrows if the person is frowning or angry, or laughing you can just open the mouth and you can give the smile lines here. जब तक आप facial anatomy नहीं समझेंगे या face का anatomy नहीं समझेंगे, it's gonna be a little bit difficult for you. Hello kids, welcome back to Physics Wala Design and Architecture. This is Sakshi, your design mentor at Physics Wala Design and Arc. Today in this drawing video, we are going to learn how to make the face in the human anatomy. Now, face is an important part. In questions, we have seen कि किसी किसी क्वेश्चन में आपका facial expression भी आया है. जब तक आप facial anatomy नहीं समझेंगे या face का anatomy नहीं समझेंगे, it's gonna be a little bit difficult for you. So, we are going to start with the anatomy of the face today, which is from the side angle. So first what you have to do, you have to start with the circle. Now this circle is going to be what? This circle is going to be the upper part or your skull part of your face. First you draw the circle. Now what you have to do? You have to divide that into three parts. One is in the center, the above part which is going to be your hairline, and the bottom part. Now here you have to divide the circle in halves as well. Vertically halves you have to divide that. Now we are going to give our facial features. On the first line you will draw your eyebrows. Then you are going to draw the eyes. Then the line which we have drawn here, you will be drawing the nose over here. From eye till this line you will have the nose. Then your lips, the chin here. Now see, the ears come between your eyebrows and your nose. The hairline will come somewhere here, and then the hair part. Right. Now what we will do? We will darken this out and we are going to do a little bit hatching in this. Now here I have a darker part, so I will be giving the hatching lines here. This is how you draw your face from the sideways. Now in the similar manner I am going to draw a face for the female as well. I am following the guidelines from my grid which is here. darkening it. This is how we draw the human face from the sideways. Now, when you have to give the expressions, you will try to move the muscles, as in you can move your eyebrows if the person is frowning or angry, or laughing. You can just open the mouth and you can give the smile lines here. So it just took me 1 or 2 minutes maximum to make the face with the grid which is there. So this is the easier way in which you can make your face here. I hope you enjoyed the video. We will meet in the next video with new drawings. Thank you and have a nice day.